A long time ago, when I was just 14 years old, I used to sit under the big mango tree in my schoolyard. I loved to read books there during lunch. The wind was blowing, the leaves were dancing, and the place felt magical. One day, a boy named Arjun walked over to me. He was holding a science book and looked a little shy. Hi, can I sit here? He asked politely. Of course, I said, smiling. That simple moment became the beginning of something special. We studied together, laughed, and shared dreams. He wanted to be a doctor, and I wanted to be a teacher. But before I could tell him how I really felt, he told me that his family was moving to another city. I felt like my heart was breaking. Before leaving, he gave me a small note. One day, we'll meet again under this tree. Many years have passed. Now I'm a teacher. I teach English at a small school not far from that same mango tree. My students listen to stories and I encourage them to dream, but I have not forgotten Arjun. Even today, I sometimes sit under that tree and wonder where he is. Recently, I have been feeling unwell. I have had a fever for days, so I go to the city hospital. As I wait to see the doctor, a familiar voice says, Miss Amaya? I look up. It's him. It's Arjun, now a doctor, just as he dreamed. He looks at me, surprised and happy. Is it really you? I ask softly. Yes, he smiles. I promised we'd meet again. He checks my report and gives me medicine. But more than that, he brings back the warmth I had missed for so long. Since that day, we have stayed in touch. We go for walks, talk about life, and share many smiles. One sunny morning, under the same mango tree, Arjun got down on one knee and asked me, Will you marry me? Tears came to my eyes. Yes, I whispered 1,000 times, yes. Now we are married. Our wedding was held under the tree, decorated with paper stars and flower garlands. My students sang songs and his hospital friends clapped with joy. It was simple, but it felt like a dream. Today, we live in a small house close to the school and the hospital. I continue to teach, and Arjun treats patients with kindness. Every morning, he makes me tea, and I pack his lunch. Every evening, we sit outside watching the stars. We are going to build a small library for children in the village. He is going to open a health camp every month to help poor families. Together, we will plant trees, share stories, and inspire young minds. One day, we will have children of our own. We will tell them the story of how we met under the mango tree and how true love always finds its way.